Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to enable SMTP in cPanel. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in blog.cpanel.com and I found a guide that perfectly explained how to set up and troubleshoot SMTP in cPanel. So, how to set up SMTP? The cPanel SMTP setup process involves two steps. Create an email account on the server, enter the account server and authentication into information in the email client. First, let's create a new email account. In cPanel, navigate to the email account interface, which you will find in the main page menus email section. As you can see, guys, here is an example in the image where you can find your email account. Click Create button right here. On the next page, select a domain, a username, and a password. Click Create at the bottom of the page, and cPanel will generate new accounts. The next job is to configure your client so it knows which server to connect and how to authenticate. The cPanel SMTP settings you need are available in the Connect Devices interface. On this page, you will find the username and the URL and SMTP port number of the outgoing server. These are the details you will need to give to your app. Mail client manual settings. We strongly recommend using the more secure SSL TLS details rather than the insecure non-SSL settings. There are many mail clients out there, but the process of configuring them to send via your server is usually straightforward. For example, here are the link to the setup documentation for Apple Mail on macOS and Thunderbird. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.